Hi guys, this is Group 15 and in this presentation we're gonna introduce the soil waste management in Nova Scotia. My name is Yang.
My name is YOUYUN.
My name is XIAOHE.
I'm JIAQI.
For the picture in this slide is about the waste management hierarchy. There are 5 key components of waste diversion, which are source reduction, material reuse, recycling, composting, and business development. For the objectives of waste diversions in Nova Scotia, the Nova Scotia government made a target of maintaining 50% waste diversion in 1996 and no more than 300 kilograms per person per year in 2006 through the Environment Act. By the year 2015, they can achieve the target.
And I will talk about the regions established in Nova Scotia. Regional solid waste management studies completed in 1994 shows significant savings can be achieved by establishing regional disposal sites. To achieve the goals of this strategy and the goal of improving the environmental performance of disposal facilities in an efficient and cost-effective manner, regional cooperation is required. And as you can see from this picture, Nova Scotia has established 7 solid waste resource management areas, and they are Cape Breton, Eastern, Northern, Halifax, Valley, South Shore, and the Western region. And each region has its own recycling and composting system. For example, in Cape Breton, 3 waste transfer stations exist, and they are countries of Cape Breton, Inverse, and Victoria. To support regional cooperation, the Nova Scotia government will establish waste management areas as described above, and provide multiple options for each area, and work closely with each area to achieve the regional target of 50% waste diversion.
We will talk about 3 central provincial approach. The first one is solid waste. The goal for solid waste is to maximize the reuse of items and materials, as well as to limit importation of various materials, and setting recycling goals. The second one is compost. Most organic material, including fruit and vegetable waste, and non-recyclable paper products, can be broken down to humus through decomposition. Compost can be used as a solid element or as a cover material on district lines. The last one is recyclables. Many waste can be recycled or reused. Reused waste can displace the raw material in the new production. For example, plastic material and glass can be recovered from the waste stream and recycled as new production.
And now I'm going to talk about waste audit report in 2017. Firstly, they break down the waste to 21 categories, which can more convenient to count and calculate the proportion and quantity of different waste. And we can see this table below. It shows all 21 categories of the waste. And then they separately record the waste diversion from the resident and the ICI entities. Meanwhile, they do garbage audits at different times of the year, such as spring in 2011 and summer in 2012 and fall in 2017. Because the amount of the waste produced in different periods of time will be also different, so the result of audit will be more comparable and accuracy. For the data in this 2017 waste audit, we can see this pie chart. They divide the wastes into 7 parts, and the plastic, fiber, and the organic matter accounted for the majority. Depends on the data from ICI and the residential sample. Like these two pie charts below show that all wastes are treated by ICI more than residential, except the textile. Finally, the landfill ban regulation was talked about in audit. It's very useful to help landfill owners properly dispose of the waste, reduce their waste in recycling. And the second point is increasing the people awareness of the prohibition of waste, like reduce the daily plastic waste usage, and this can reduce the environmental pollution. And this is our references, and thank you for listening.